They're here!
Oh dear God. Alright. Oh, didn't tell you. Look at that.
What's up, dude?
I'm not going to give you quite the same warm welcome.
That's okay.
Dude, good to see you guys.
What's up, dude?
What's
Good seeing you.
What's up? What's up, guys? What's up? How's it going, dude? Oscar is so excited. You got these friends. Am I being replaced, Blue Fun? This is a good day. Yeah, you want to go see the car spot? Let's go see them.
Where's your Corvette?
I just sold it.
Oh, did you?
It sold yesterday.
My team,
it's gonna be here tonight.
Oh, well, okay.
At the show, it'd be
I got to show you something. My team said that you guys installed the wheels backwards.
No, I know we did.
Oh, okay.
We always knew.
Good. Yeah.
But I never prioritized the time.
I get how that
I'm just
goes.
like, I don't have time to do this today. We'll do it sometime. And then the wheels ended up being powder coated white. Oh. And so they just switched them. So now,
got it.
At the show tonight, the car.
Good.
There's a million things to do, and that was not.
No, I totally understand, man. I'll have crap sitting in a hallway upstairs for 6 months. All I got to do is move it 10 feet.
You guys are really lucky Alex is here. Because
Yes.
if Alex wasn't here, you guys would all be sleeping on the floor. Because of him, we got beds, we got trash cans,
Yeah, we got
drinks, we got snacks, we got sleeping bags. This car, I mean, this is my favorite car for sure.
I know this.
Just the details, everything about the car turned out so much better.
I love
than
the
ever
roof
expected.
line with the Roadster like that. That makes it just look more transformative.
When I was super particular, I wanted to get the roof pieces painted to match.
Yeah.
Because most of the Roadsters come either black or carbon. But I think paint mash is really cool.
Yeah.
This is where it's at right here. Insane.
Tommy's end-all be-all is getting Texas
I
Roadhouse
made
at
it, guys.
Stradman,
I
so-
peaked. Let me rephrase. His real end-all be-all is driving this to the Texas Roadhouse. I'm just gonna say it is.
The Murcielago,
It
really?
is, yes.
Yes. Gated Mercy's my
That
number
is
one
really
ever, dude.
easy.
This and a Courage
Yeah,
here,
man.
like,
Okay,
that's it,
easy,
dude.
dude.
Are you
Looks like
sure?
looks like you're popping your cherry today.
All right,
Have you ever driven one?
Dude, I've never driven a I've never driven a
drive a
Mercy
stick all day.
ever.
Oh, yeah,
drive a
okay,
stick,
so
though,
you've
yeah.
never driven
Yeah.
a Murcielago?
Never.
Oh,
No.
easy, yeah.
You'll be fine. I'm sure
that's
I would recommend driving with traction control off.
Okay.
So that's the only thing.
Cool.
But yeah,
Dude, I can't wait. This
I'll
is-
let you start it since it's your first. This is your inaugural,
I love it, dude.
Lambo start.
There you go.
I know.
I'm so proud of you.
Man, I'm like blushing right now.
Here we are.
That is cool. That's super cool. So I saw 40th anniversary Murcielago in Portland when I was 14, parked at the place we were at dinner at that night. And ever since then, I've had a fascination with the 40th anniversary edition. So it's cool being, 11 years later, driving one of these cars. It's like so special, man. I love it.
Yeah, you're good. To all the NASA engineers watching today's video, you're gonna be out of job. Easy. Let's go. I'm tracking the carpet.
I live in a city where there's not a lot of super and hypercars, so it's got to be shocking for some of the people to see all this. I wonder what it's like out here, if they're just used to it because it's him. This is a neat area. It's very different than I thought. I thought it would be more urban, but it's actually pretty rural.
It's nice and quiet.
It's really nice. Tommy's like babying it. Wow, this is crazy. I'm used to it all being my cars, but this is great. That Mercy does look pretty bad. I still think the Diablo's cooler. Oh, that's so loud. Oh my God, what was that? I think the pink is what makes that look so badass. Like, I'm not a huge Veyron fan, but I think just it being that color and so bold, especially like the sharp two-tone, but that one looks good.
Yeah.
And the spoiler's up. We have arrived. They're an hour wait. We're gonna go to In-N-Out Burger.
This feels like home.
Yeah.
I feel like I belong right here. That was 3,500 RPMs. Nothing. One of the coolest cars I have ever driven in my life. Look at this freaking backdrop too.
By the way, we have new merch.
Oh yeah.
That's what she said. Very nice. I like.
Watching those videos in Russia.
knock. Let's see if he's home. That's a good solid knock, Jack. Oh wow, he heard it. All right.
What's up, guys?
Sour Patch Kids in
Welcome
hand.
to the crib. Oh yeah, we got candy, we got snacks, we got Oscar.
I love your dog.
Well, we saw Oscar. We can leave now.
That's it. Okay, I see how it is. You know what? You don't get any of the Sour Patch Kids. You're gonna act like that.
That was my damn.
Jay just hired help. Would you guys like any
Oh,
snacks?
butler service.
We come bearing gifts at the
I
Stradman.
might grab one of these bad boys. Close the door, Natalia.
I'm so sorry. I'm like so. Oh my
Tina,
God.
you fat lord.
Okay, we're dynamite out.
Do you get it? Who's seen Napoleon Dynamite?
Tina, you fat lard, come get some dinner.
Or it's clip it. Clip the Napoleon Dynamite scene.
Cried.
It's a quote. It's a quote, guys.
Oh
Relax.
my god.
Starting on a high note, now we can only go downhill from here.
I've always been curious. Why haven't you got a 360 Stradman? Why haven't you gotten one?
It's one of those things where sometimes when you meet your heroes,
Have you driven one?
I have. It's just underpowered and I can't modify it. I can't do anything to it. And
But you're the
Ferrari,
Stradman.
I know.
For those of you who don't know,
I know.
You're Stradman because of the 360. No, but that's why you got your name.
No, it is. It
That's
is. Yeah,
why.
I made up the name when I was 15 years old. I needed a Ferrari chat username.
I love it.
And that was my favorite car as a 14-year-old.
And he hasn't got it.
You don't have a Murcielago?
I know.
Not yet. I know.
Okay,
When you
so
buy
I'll
a
buy-
Murcielago, I'll buy a Stradale.
Which is
There
never.
it is. Deals happen.
You know how much I pay him, right?
Yeah, that's why I made that deal. That's why I made that deal.
He's not getting us through.
Kitchen.
Yeah.
So we're gonna tear these cabinets out and these cabinets out. We're gonna put a big range hood. Because right now you got like the big lights, you got the big
Yeah.
island,
Yeah.
and we're gonna have like this little baby.
Range hood. Oh yeah, you're right. Range hood will look.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that and then have like some floating shelves, and then we'll actually just put these in the garage. So we'll still use these, so it's not gonna like cost that
Good
much.
for you, brother.
Yeah,
Love
that'll
it.
be good.
I like your ceiling detail. Did they actually take a print? I don't even know.
Something like that. I don't know what they did. Yeah,
Let's see.
something like that. It's all over the house.
Okay,
Kind of
lights,
adds some nice
beautiful.
texture. Yeah, these lights are cool. The island turned out amazing. Like this solid piece
Yes.
of granite right here.
Oh, you have waterfall on one edge.
Yeah, I kind of wish I would have done the second edge though. But that's the thing when you like, this is my first house I've ever had.
Yeah.
So I didn't even know what a waterfall was
Yep.
until they suggested the idea.
I mean, you were saying that like this process is so stressful, which it is, but like once you live in here for 6 months, you're going to be like, you're going to realize everything that you did wrong. You might already know
Right,
because you're
yeah.
and then you're going to be like, maybe not, but with me it's like, all right, I'm going to do this
Do
again.
it again and do it right.
I'm going to buy that hand right there.
Do it. I have so many ideas though. Like there's so many other things because I did so much research now
Yeah.
on houses.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I should do that. I should do that. I should do that. So I could see maybe in 5 years
Yes.
doing it again.
There you
'Cause
go.
it's stressful, but it's fun.
I'm going to walk through your house and I'm going to realize there are things that I should have done. Watch.
Yeah. So this is the master bedroom.
Big ass
I'm still waiting to get a bed.
First floor master.
Yeah, exactly. And there's a deck right here to be a hot tub in the future.
Yeah. Oh, man.
But there's a lot to do. I mean, I need furniture. This is the master.
Yeah, buddy.
This turned out pretty cool. Still waiting on mirrors to go up and whatnot. Like, there's still so much to do.
You're going to bathe out right out here?
Absolutely. right, yep. People go hang out.
Yes.
This is the master shower.
Dude, you got some great like details with your tile work. Like there's some neat your little nook in there.
Yeah. This toilet.
Your
is amazing,
storage
too.
room.
The toilet.
Oh yeah, the separate potty room is clutch.
Well, walk in.
Oh.
Walk in.
Huge. Is it just gonna open up? Ah, shoot.
What? And then if you press the button, let's get some more light in there. You press
Yes.
this down here.
Yes. Wait, push it
keep
in
pushing
the,
it
the
in.
other way.
And then you're finished. Now push it again.
All right.
And you walk away.
It just wants to gobble up your poop.
Isn't that
Very
amazing?
nice, yes.
That's the coolest toilet ever. I show every single guest that toilet. I'm really proud of it. It's a nice toilet.
You should be.
Oh my god, this is huge. So this is amazing because Oscar can
I
go
love this.
full sprint.
Yes.
And on carpet he has the confidence too that he needs.
Yes.
Not sliding around, crashing into stuff.
This is
So
where
he
I
loves
went
it
wrong.
there.
We have the long, but it's narrow, so it makes it
Oh,
like
yeah.
this makes this look massive. That's what she said, and it is awesome. Very cool.
So this little like balcony thing
Yes.
right there, I want to put like a motorcycle there.
Okay.
So I'll have the car on the wall, motorcycle right there. Should be pretty good.
You don't like this.
I don't ride, no. And that's why putting it there,
Yes.
once you put it there, you're never taking it down.
Yep.
So I think it would look amazing.
I like your base. Like this is actually really simple, clean, and that's how my wife and I did. It's all like simple,
Right.
clean trim, nothing too elegant, no crown molding in most of our areas.
Yep, nothing too fancy. We just got this bed just for you guys.
All right.
So-
We're all sleeping in it together.
Yeah, no, you're all in one bed.
Bro.
You guys seem to really like each other, so you should be calling Steve.
I call Oscar.
Oscar looks like he's about to jump in it.
Yeah,
He's
Oscar
thinking about
likes
it.
the bed.
Right.
Don't you, bud? Then another bedroom right here.
So you didn't have a bed in your master, right?
Not yet.
You're sleeping?
This is where I'm sleeping right now.
I love
But
this.
soon, I'm gonna get a proper bed. But there's no blinds on the house right now, so it's just like wide open. Whereas back here in the back corner,
We had a transition house like this for a week, and it was one of the worst weeks of my life living without blinds, without a lot of stuff.
Yeah, and like all the motors for the blinds are on back order.
Oh
I don't
my
know when
gosh.
they're gonna arrive. I have no
Bathroom.
idea. Let it be known, I made this bed in here. Okay, like this is me. Welcome to Strad Suites.
Oh yeah.
Nobody's even paying attention to Strad
I
Suites.
am, I'm right here.
I know, Tommy.
I'm here.
Please, Steve, come on,
Nobody.
I need a reaction.
Why-
I made
what-
this
what-
bed for you guys.
You made this?
Yeah, Strad Suites. I'm starting a hotel.
What?
No, look at these towels. These
Oh,
are us.
I
Feel the
thought you meant.
towel.
Oh, wow.
It's a nice towel.
Wow. That
We
sucks.
searched, we scoured the entire state of Utah for these towels.
Those are
Egyptian cotton, right?
I love it.
Yes,
I can
yes.
smell it when
No,
you
they
walk
are.
in
That's
the
what
room.
it is. Egyptian cotton.
Yes. I thought you said you manufactured this bed, like you built
No,
this bed.
I did. Well, I cut down a tree in the backyard. No, that's what Alex said I've been doing all week.
This is
This
awesome.
bed's actually pretty dope.
I know, it's nice.
James, you watch this, like, you killed it.
Spot on, dude. You can see that's Oscar.
This is such a bachelor pad, dude. I love it.
I've been here for 2 weeks. Yeah, you should have seen it 3 days ago.
Yeah.
Like seriously, Alex came in clutch.
There were
that
no
bed
beds.
wasn't here. That bed wasn't.
You can tell it's a bachelor pad because they're walking on brand new carpet with shoes.
Just saying. Hey, Oscar, we got Oscar.
I know, but I'm saying if you were married or something,
no,
that would be a big.
We also wouldn't be putting a Ferrari on the wall.
What are you gonna put in here?
I have no idea.
Game room?
Probably, yeah. I mean, maybe like a pool table, ping pong. Yeah, so this room is above the garage. This is the wet bar right here, like when car friends come over to hang out. This is where they'll come. So we have like a whole kitchen, the view down to look down on the cars. In the future, have a TV, a couch in here, and like a table and whatnot. It should be amazing. And these doors are so cool. We have all the cars outside, but.
Oh my god, that scared me. I don't know why. Just seeing you stand there, like.
That's so awesome.
Yeah. So we need to get a railing here
Yes.
soon.
Yeah, let me go look at the over. I want to show you the look over to the cars from the. There's a pathway that got us here, and give you a great view of the cars. You're gonna need to extend your driveway though, I think.
Oh, for
Based on
sure.
what I saw.
For sure.
But you've got a huge amount of land.
Yeah.
What is this like 2.5 acres? 3 acres?
It's just under 2 acres.
Okay.
This is Natalia's room. That's where she'll be sleeping, right there in the corner.
Right there.
But this is bigger than my garage, clearly. And then you also have a downstairs that I haven't seen yet that is this size as well, right?
Yeah, it's the same exact footprint with the
could
car
fit-
elevator to drop cars down.
Can we all ride the car elevator down to the basement? Oh.
There's 11
I can't
switches.
figure out what to go to. Like it's every night I'm just like trying to figure out how to turn them all off, and all these lights are turning on and whatnot. I need to get one switch for everything. Either all on or all off.
Look, there's this car.
All of us are holding Oscar.
You're stuck now, Natalia.
We got your dog. We got him covered.
Bye, guys. See ya. Thanks
Bye,
for coming.
guys.
See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, happy to be back.
Oh my god, it's dark.
And we're never gonna. And we're dead.
Like a dungeon.
All right.
We died.
Let's
Can you
go back
imagine
up.
people start coming out of the corners in here?
That's what I'm saying.
Need drywall, lighting, flooring. I mean, there's still so much to do.
You were at Iron Gate. Did you see how they had painted all their? I don't know if the basement was painted when you were there, but they had painted artwork of like Porsches, old Ferraris, and stuff all over.
Oh yeah, I've been to that garage. Yeah.
You have a vision with like what cars you want upstairs and downstairs?
So I
Like, do you
want all Lambos down here.
Okay.
Yeah, so
That's
just
it.
and just bright Lambos.
Love it.
I'm thinking
Skittles.
white walls, white floors, super clean, tons
Very
of light. It's actually
so
amazing.
weird.
Like upstairs is awful for filming.
Yeah.
Down here is amazing because it's just insulation. This is a movie theater room right here.
Right here.
Right, yeah, that's
pre-wired.
so it's all like
Sweet.
pre-wired and everything. You see the speaker
Very,
boxes.
very neat.
So soon we're gonna have stadium seating down, which will be really cool. But honestly, this is so long from now.
Yeah,
so it's
I
like the
wanna-
garage is so much more
So
important.
this is part of the build was the basement build out because a lot of people did have. Yeah, you weren't kidding when you told me you were far off upstairs. I'm like, it looks pretty, but when you come down here,
Yeah.
I'm like, you have
a lot.
Q2 of next year.
Pretty big in here, though.
That's what he said. It scares me, just like, you did the thing where they Yes, you build foundation all around the vault.
Yeah.
And then they almost have to drop.
So it's concrete all around. So this whole
Oh, they had to drop the door in and then lay the concrete. Dude, that's brilliant.
Yeah, so the door was in for. I want to add another garage on the backside, like a shop garage.
Yeah.
Have a pool, go-kart track, would be cool.
Yes.
Have a personal car wash bay.
How much land do you have back there? Because if you were to get that too,
1.7 acres, and that's an acre. So if I bought that, I'd have 2.7 acres.
Wow.
I don't even know what I would do with that, but it'd be a great investment. I agree. But back there, it goes so far. I don't know. And landscaping is not cheap.
The people looking at that lot, bro, you better watch out.
Get out of here!
I'm gonna start barking at them.
Howdy, neighbor!
Just start revving all the cars. Like it's never noisy here.
She's
gonna start feeling the dirt.
Shake things up a little bit.
This is pure.
It's starting to get a little serious.
Well, thanks for showing us around your house. Appreciate it.
For sure. Wait, so that's it?
I'm just kidding.
Shit, having us. We'll come back out here when it's done if you'll have us.
Of course.
Well, when it's fully done.
Maybe.
Very cool.
No, honestly, you guys should build right there. That'd be sick. Have a Utah home. Yeah.
We can start a bidding war on that
I'm
land.
gonna build a shed right.
What's that number? And you be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.